congratulations. I think gotta bring more transparency and accountability is very important for politicians. Thank you, sir. Okay, are you ready for your question, contestant number 5?
Yes, I am very ready.
Okay, listen very carefully. What do you think is harder to forgive? Betrayal or dishonesty? Again, what do you think is harder to forgive? Betrayal or dishonesty?
Ladies and gentlemen, I know that everyone here has already been in the part of their lives where they experience both betrayal and dishonesty. However, if I were to be given a chance between those two, I would prefer to be betrayed rather than have someone be dishonest with me. This is specifically because betrayal is something that I can easily forgive and forget. However,